Hello everyone. Do you want to play Fortnite on your laptop, no matter where you are? Today I will show you an easy way to install Fortnite in any country, step by step. So now let's jump right in. Before installing Fortnite, ensure laptop meets the minimum requirements. You will need at least 4 gig of RAM, a modern processor, and a dedicated graphics card for smooth gameplay. Visit Fortnite's website to review the specific requirements. Now open your browser and go to epicgames.com. Download the Epic Games launcher and install it on your laptop. If Epic Games is restricted in your country, use a trusted VPN to access the website. Launch the app and sign in to your Epic Games account. If you don't have an account yet, click sign up to create one. Make sure to verify your email address during the registration process. Search for Fortnite in the Epic Games Store. Click on the game, then hit the install button. Choose the directory where you want the game to be stored, and the launcher will begin downloading and installing Fortnite on your laptop. After installation, adjust the game's region settings to match a server closest to you for optimal performance. You can also tweak graphics settings to ensure smooth gameplay, especially if your laptop is mid-range. And there you go. Fortnite is now ready to play on your laptop, anywhere in the world. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.